See, so far we have completed GOC, General Organic Chemistry, that includes everything. Whatever is required for GOC, all the fundamentals are clearly discussed. Now, based on that GOC, let us do few previously asked IIT Mains, IIT Advanced and some NEET level questions. Mostly they consist of NEET level and IIT Mains. Okay. Now, see the first question. Tetravalence of carbon shape, that is the heading. In this topic, in the shapes of organic compounds, what are the questions asked? The first one, the number of sigma and pi bonds present in pent 2-ene 4-ine. Pent 2-ene 4-ine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pent 2-ene 4-ine is how many sigma and pi bonds? The number of sigma bonds, here CH3, H, here no hydrogen, here H. How many? In the open chain, number of sigma bonds is equal to number of atoms minus 1. How many atoms are there total here? 3 plus 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 plus 2, 11. Total 11 atoms are there. So, number of sigma bonds is equal to 10. 11 minus 1. Total number of atoms minus 1. So, 10 sigma. So, pi bonds, in a double bond there is 1 pi bond, in a triple bond there are 2 pi bonds, total 3 pi bonds. That is why what is our answer? B. 10 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. That is the way you have to write the structure and identify. Okay. Next. The total number of pi bonding electrons in the following structure. Please have a look clearly at that structure so that you can identify. In each pi bond, there is one pi bonding pair. Pair means 2 electrons. They are asking pi bond electrons. How many pi bonds are there here? 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Total 4 pi bonds are there. 4 pi bonds means obviously 8 pi electrons. So, this should be the answer. Which of the following molecule represents the order of hybridization? sp2, sp2, sp, sp. 2 carbons sp2, next 2 carbons sp from left to right. Come on. Left to right, first verify the first one. We want sp2 now. So, first is eliminated because it is triple bonded carbon is sp. Double bonded carbon is sp2, single bonded carbon sp3. That's why this is triple bonded sp. So, ruled out. This is sp2, sp2, sp, sp. I think B is the answer. sp2, sp2, sp, sp. Because these 2 double bonded carbons sp2, sp2, these 2 triple bonded sp, sp. Finished. You need not verify third and fourth options also. So, second one is the answer. Next, the state of hybridization of C2, C3, C5 and C6 of the following hydrocarbon. What are the hybrid states of those carbons, mentioned carbons? See here, from left to right, you have to start numbering because you need to identify what is second carbon. This is second. This is third, this is fifth, fourth, fifth, and this is sixth. So, what are the hybrid states here? Second is sp. In which option sp is present? In the 3 options it is there. third carbon sp3 because this is single bonded only. This carbon is forming all single bonds, that's why it should be sp3. So second carbon sp, third carbon sp3. sp sp2 no, sp sp2 no, sp sp3 yes. That's the answer. Fourth option. So just by verifying the hybrid states of these two carbons only, we could identify the correct answer. You also do like that. It is not necessary to work out each and everything. Okay, by seeing the hybrid states of these two carbons only, I could identify the answer. Second carbon sp, third carbon sp3. Only in this option you have sp sp3. In the other options it is not there. So it is D. Now in this hydrocarbon, the state of hybridization of the carbons 1, 3, 5 are in the following sequence. 1, 3, 5. Obviously again numbering from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They want 1, 3, 5. First carbon sp, third carbon sp3. Because it is triple bonded, this is single bonded. So sp and sp3. Where it is? Not first option, not second option. The fourth option. Finished. sp and sp3. So it is D. So once again, in which of the following compounds there is more than one kind of hybridizations for carbon? More than one type. First is ruled out because here all the carbons are sp2, sp2, sp2. I think fourth option. This carbon is sp3, this carbon sp2. They are asking more than one type. So why can't be the D answer? Here both are sp, sp. Here all are sp3, sp3. Only in this fourth option, this first carbon is sp3, second carbon sp2. More than one type of hybridization. Okay. Now see the next one. A straight chain hydrocarbon has the molecular formula C8H10, not the comma, C8H10. The hybridization of the carbon atom from one end of the chain to the other end, respectively sp3, sp2, sp2. They gave, okay, for few, 3, 6, for all 8 atoms they gave hybridization. Structural formula of the hydrocarbon. So once again, first identify from which side you start numbering. So when here you need to know one point. When double bond and triple bonds are present in the same structure, when both are at identical positions from opposite ends, prefer the double bond to give least number. Now I will give 1. From this end I will start. Okay. Now this is what they want. sp3, sp2, sp2. No, first option is ruled out. Second option, from left to what they asked, hybridization of the from one end to other end. So no problem. One end to other end means even first option is not. Because first carbon sp3, second carbon sp, but they mentioned sp2. In the second option sp3, this is sp2. Third sp3, second also sp3, but second you want sp2. No. Here first sp3, then second sp2, third also sp2, fourth sp3, fifth sp2. No. Verify fourth option. All the 3 options are not matching with the given data. So first carbon sp3, second carbon sp2, correct. Third carbon sp2, fourth carbon sp3, fifth carbon sp2, sixth carbon sp2, 7th and 8th, sp, correct. So again, fourth one is the answer. Now, which of the following possesses a sp carbon in its structure? Obviously, it is C, because triple bonded carbon, or if carbon forms two double bonds, that is sp. Carbon if forming two double bonds, that is also sp hybrid carbon. Next, Cl, C, angle. Chlorine, carbon, chlorine angle in 1122 tetrachloroethene. Tetrachloroethene, this one. They said ethene, no? So tetrachloro 1122 and tetrachloromethane. This is tetrachloromethane. This is tetrahedral, 109 degrees. Okay. So your answer will be either first option or second option, because in the tetrachloromethane clearly it is perfect tetrahedral, 109 degrees. 109, 109 only in the first two options. That is why first or second Cl. That is what? sp2 hybridized. In case of sp2 hybridization, the bond angles are 120 degrees. That is why first option is the answer. 120 degrees here, 109 degrees here. Next, classification of organic compounds. Now, the few questions related to classification of organic compounds. As I said, all these questions are very important models, because these are all asked in the previous JEE mains and NEET. See that first, an organic compound X having that molecular formula C6H7O2N has 6 carbon atoms in a ring and 2 double bonds and a nitro group as substituent. Ring, 2 double bonds and a substituent. X is. Now, what is that organic compound? Whether it is homocyclic or heterocyclic, aromatic or not aromatic. Please work out. It's very important, it seems. 6 carbons ring. This is 6 carbons ring. Substituent is NO2. They said C6H7, 7 hydrogens. So, in a ring system, 2 double bonds only. Here 1 double bond, here 1 double bond. And verify hydrogens are how many? 6 carbons in the ring, 1 substituent NO2 hydrogens. From here H, 4 hydrogens. Here 2. CH2 is there. So 6. Here 1 hydrogen, 7. Perfect. So that formula satisfies, the structure satisfies the given formula. So what is X now? It is homocyclic or heterocyclic? Homocyclic only, because the ring is formed only by carbons. Homocyclic. Hetero means other than carbons, if any other atom is involved in the formation of ring, that is heterocyclic. Now it is homocyclic. It is not aromatic. So homocyclic and not aromatic. So first option. Aromatic means there should be one more double bond here. Then only it is aromatic. So it is not benzene ring. So homocyclic but not aromatic.